Did you know that over 1.8 million new cancer cases are diagnosed each year in the United States alone? This staggering statistic underscores the pressing need to address the factors contributing to this widespread health concern. Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. These cells can form tumors, invade surrounding tissues, and may eventually metastasize to other parts of the body. Cancer can develop in virtually any organ or tissue and is often caused by genetic mutations or environmental factors. Some foods contain harmful chemicals linked to cancer, while others may promote inflammation, contributing to the disease through various mechanisms. It's crucial to comprehend these factors to make informed decisions about our dietary habits. Staying informed about cancer-causing foods is essential. Making prudent dietary decisions can significantly lower the risk of succumbing to this devastating illness. By understanding the impact of our food choices, we empower ourselves to proactively mitigate the risk of cancer. In today's video, we will walk you through the top 8 cancer-causing foods to avoid. By identifying and understanding these potential culprits, we can take proactive steps toward minimizing their presence in our diets. Remember, the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. 1. Smoked foods. Smoked foods, with their rich and savory history and culinary traditions, offer a unique flavor profile. However, it's essential to approach their consumption with a degree of caution. Although the smoking process involving nitrates and nitrites as preservatives poses health risks when exposed to high temperatures, these additives transform into carcinogenic compounds known as N-nitroso compounds. Linked to various cancers, especially gastrointestinal ones like stomach and colorectal cancer, these compounds disrupt cellular and DNA functioning, leading to cancerous cell development. Beyond cancer, excessive smoked food intake can cause stomach infections and hypertension due to higher sodium levels. To mitigate these risks, opting for alternative seasonings or marinades is advised for a healthier culinary choice. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and become a part of our family, just click that subscribe button below. 2. Microwave popcorn. Popcorn is a classic snack, particularly favored during movie nights, has been associated with potential health concerns, particularly regarding its link to cancer. The microwave popcorn bags often contain a chemical called perfluorooctanoic acid, which when heated can release harmful fumes. Additionally, the artificial butter flavorings used in some microwave popcorn varieties may contain diacetyl, a compound associated with respiratory issues. Furthermore, the process of popping corn at high temperatures can produce a substance called diacetyl oxide, which can convert into a compound called 2,3-pentanedione, known for its respiratory and potential carcinogenic effects. While the evidence is not conclusive and the risks may vary, health-conscious consumers may choose to air pop their popcorn or explore alternative, less processed snack options to reduce potential exposure to these concerning compounds. 3. Pickled foods. Concerns have been raised about the potential cancer-causing effects of pickled foods, particularly due to the interaction between white vinegar in pickles and proteins in the food, leading to the formation of acrylamides. Acrylamides, known carcinogens associated with foods fried or baked at high temperatures, have been implicated in studies linking them to an elevated risk of various cancers, including breast cancer. The chemical reactions occurring during the pickling process raise questions about the safety of consuming pickled foods regularly. Examples of pickled favorites such as cucumbers, beets, and cabbage may carry this risk. 4. Fried foods. Foods like French fries, fried mozzarella sticks, and tempura have been linked to an increased risk of various cancers. Fried foods, especially when prepared using methods that involve high temperatures and unhealthy oils, can produce harmful compounds such as acrylamide, which has been associated with cancer development. To minimize your cancer risk, it is advisable to limit your consumption of fried foods and opt for healthier oils, employing air frying techniques, and incorporating a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods into one's diet can contribute to a more wholesome and less cancer-prone lifestyle. 5. Hydrogenated oils. often found in processed foods, have raised concerns due to their association with an elevated risk of cancer. Through the process of hydrogenation, these oils can generate trans fats that promote inflammation, a known driver of cancer development. This persistent inflammation creates an environment where healthy cells may transform into cancerous ones. Trans fats not only contribute to unhealthy cholesterol levels, but are also linked to breast, colon, and prostate cancers. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to scrutinize food labels, steer clear of products containing hydrogenated oils, and instead choose healthier cooking oils like olive or coconut oil. Prioritizing foods rich in beneficial fats, such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts, not only enhances flavor but also supports overall well-being. 6. Farm-raised fish. Often considered a convenient and accessible source of seafood, has been associated with concerns regarding its potential contribution to cancer. The cultivation of fish in confined spaces may lead to higher concentrations of pollutants such as PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls, and dioxins in farm-raised varieties. These contaminants, known to be carcinogenic, have been linked to an increased risk of cancers, including liver and breast cancers. Additionally, the use of antibiotics and certain feed in fish farming practices may introduce substances that can further raise health concerns. While the overall risk may vary, individuals can make informed choices by incorporating a balance of wild-caught and farm-raised fish into their diet, prioritizing sources that adhere to stringent quality and safety standards. This approach allows seafood enthusiasts to enjoy the nutritional benefits of fish while minimizing potential risks associated with certain cancers. 7. Processed meats. Processed meats, encompassing favorites like hot dogs, salami, and sausages, have been implicated as cancer-causing foods. The process of preserving and flavoring these meats typically involves methods like smoking, curing, or adding preservatives, resulting in the formation of harmful compounds. Such as curing and smoking can lead to the formation of harmful compounds like N-nitroso compounds and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These substances, when ingested through the consumption of processed meats, can contribute to the development of cancer. Numerous studies have established a clear association between the regular consumption of processed meats and an elevated risk of colorectal cancer, as well as links to stomach and pancreatic cancers. Moreover, the high salt and fat content in these meats may contribute to broader health issues, including cardiovascular problems. As a result, health-conscious individuals are advised to moderate their intake of processed meats and explore healthier alternatives to reduce the potential risks associated with these cancer-inducing food products. 8. Red meat. Spanning beef, pork, and lamb has garnered attention for its potential association with an increased risk of various cancers, notably colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancer. The culprit in this health concern is often attributed to the high levels of saturated fat present in red meat, which has been identified as a significant contributing factor to cancer development. The consumption of saturated fat has been linked to the promotion of inflammation and the release of carcinogenic substances in the body. Additionally, red meat serves as a source of heme iron, a component that has been associated with potential harm to the colon lining, further heightening susceptibility to colorectal cancer. To adopt a healthier approach to protein consumption, individuals may consider alternatives such as lean cuts of poultry, fish, or plant-based proteins like legumes and tofu. Thank you for joining us as we explored crucial information about 8 cancer-causing foods that are best avoided. Your support fuels our mission to provide vital health information, empowering you to make choices for a healthier life.